Pakistani elements indeed have infiltrated. It's not just the Singhu border. Tensions also simmering now at Delhi's Tikri border. Hundreds of locals there carrying national flags gathered at the Tikri border demanding removal of the farmers from the protest site. They also carried banners denouncing violence on Republic Day. Security at all protest sites now, including Tikri border, is beefed up right now. Even as we speak, RAF forces have been deployed to prevent any law and order situation. Abhishek Anand joining us from the Tikri border. Abhishek, we saw locals turn violent at the Singhu border, but at Tikri border, we're seeing more of a symbolic protest by those locals coming out with placards, with flags, and very peacefully asking for the farmers to be moved out. Take us through what their grouse is now. They were supporting the farmers all the while. Maushami said locals were eating in those langars that were provided by the Sikh community along those borders. Now it seems like the locals' they've lost their patience. They don't want to have those farmers any longer there. They're not supporting them anymore.
Well, yes, Nabila, the locals who are here are majorly the laborers who work in nearby industrial areas. Also, there is a market inside. This is the stretch of about 500 meters from the Tikri border metro station to the protest site, and there are 4 or 5 petrol pumps and too many shops also there. And where the farmers are sitting, where the farmer unions are agitating, there are industrial areas where thousands of migrant workers used to work. So today, those migrant workers, those shop owners and the nearby villagers came out with the national flag, the tricolor, and banners and placards in their hand, and shouted slogans against the farmers whom they claimed that they were supporting since last 2 months. They claimed that they provided water supply to the farmers, they provided milk to the farmers, they provided vegetables to the farmers for the langar. But now they are saying that they are hurt because of the 26th January violence. And also, since last 2 months, many of these people who are living here are not able to earn a single penny because the entire area is shut. Only 1 or 2 food joints are open, and rest of the entire area is completely deserted, and their business has come to a grinding halt. And that is the reason why now the public support is missing for the farmer unions. The 26th January violence has become a turning point, at least for the locals. They are claiming that they are now not anymore supporting the farmers' agitation. Over to you, Nabila.
Abhishek, thank you very much for joining us with those details.